everyone, Amber here and welcome to another Stellar Guitarist song tutorial. Today we are going to be learning how to play Nights in White Satin by the Moody Blues. So I've got an awesome song tutorial lined up for you today, so go grab your guitar and let's jump right into the lesson. So let's start off by looking at the chords that we're going to be needing in the song. So first make sure your guitar is tuned, and we're not going to need a capo for the lesson. So we have 8 chords in total. The first chord we need is an E minor chord. Next we need a D major. We have C major. And we have G major. We're also going to need an A major chord, an A minor. Our 7th chord is actually a 7th chord. It's called B7. This is a little bit tricky, especially if you're just starting out. So if you are brand new to guitar, take some time to shake it out and then practice forming the chord again. Shake it out and form the chord again. This is just going to help encourage developing that muscle memory. And the final chord we need is an F major chord. Now we have lots of options here. We have the bar chord F. We can also play this as an F over C chord. Where we're just barring the E and B strings. This is the version that I'll be using. But if you're unable to really get any sound out of a bar, then you are welcome to use the F major 7 chord, which is much easier to play with our first finger in the 1st fret on the B string, 2nd finger 2nd fret on the G, and our 3rd finger in the 3rd fret on the D string. And this F major 7 chord will work perfectly in the song. So pick whichever F you are most comfortable playing. So the song consists of 3 main sections, and the first section we're going to be looking at is the verse. So the chords are going to be up on the screen. We have pretty straightforward chords, starting off with an E minor, transitioning to a D chord, back to E minor, and then back to D. The second line of chords, we're going to be transitioning to a C major, to our G chord. We then have our F major chord, so here you can use whichever F chord you are comfortable playing. And the final chord, back to E minor. So as I've mentioned, the chords are really straightforward and easy. The challenge is going to come in with the rhythm. So Nights in White Satin is written in a key signature that is 6/8 time. And what this means is that we're going to be counting up to 6 for each of the chords. So the counts are going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So as you can tell, it has a bit of a waltz-like feel to it. So you can't help but sway when counting up to 6. So if we try it again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Swaying with the beat really helps you internalize and feel that rhythm. So we're going to try those chords again with 1 down strum on beat 1, and we're going to hold each chord up to 6 beats. So starting on that E minor, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. D, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. E minor, 2, 4, 5, 6. D, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. C. 4, 5, 6, G, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, F, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if rhythm is something that you are struggling with at the moment, then I would suggest pausing the video here and just practice 1 down strum on each of the chords that are up on the screen, and practice counting up to 6 for each of those chords. Now when you feel ready, we can go on to looking at the next part of the lesson, which will be adding in the strumming pattern. So the strumming pattern that works really well with the song is going to sound something like this. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And we're going to count this 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and. So you can notice with the strumming pattern, we're counting up to 6 for each round of the pattern. So if we're going to play that on an E minor, it's going to sound like this. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and. We're then going to transition to the D. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and. Repeat the E minor. And back to the D chord again. Moving on to the second line of chords, we have C. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up to the G. Down, down, up, F. And E minor. Down, down, up, down, up. And you're really going to want to accent beat 1 and 4 with your strumming pattern. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and. Which are both down strums. Down, down, up, down, down, up. So let's play the verse together, starting on that E minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. E to D. Back to E minor. Down, down, up, down, down, up. To the C. Letters are G chords. And to the F, meaning to E minor. And then we can repeat it again. Beauty, I've D chords. E minor with these eyes to the D. C, just what the G. So our chorus is up next, and it's really easy. We have a handful of chords. We're starting on an A major chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Repeat. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And to the C chords. And C again. To E minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To D. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. E minor. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And D. So we've got some different chords, but we're going to be using the same strumming pattern that we learned earlier on in the lesson. Down, down, up, down, down, up on each of those chords. So if we take it from the beginning with the A, it's going to sound like this. Down, down, up, down, down, up, A. Down, down, up, down, down, C. And E minor, and to D, E minor, and to the D. And if we add some singing in there, from the A, 'cause I love you. Yes, I see chords, C again. Us straight back into another verse of the song. So if you are finding this lesson helpful and you enjoy my lessons here on YouTube, then please could I ask you to like this video and to subscribe to my channel. It allows me to continue making content just like this for you every single week. Now, if you're wanting to find out more ways to work with me as a guitar coach, then you are in luck. Go ahead and click the link below this video and come and sign up for one of my programs inside the Stellar Academy. We have so much fun learning tons and tons of cool techniques and how to make you a better guitarist at the end of the day. And if you're not quite ready to sign up for one of my programs just yet, that is also completely fine. You can show your support by clicking the super thanks button below the YouTube video and showing your support that way. Right, thank you so much, and let's get back into the lesson today. So the final section that we're going to be looking at today is the flute solo, and we're going to be learning the chords that accompany the section. Now you're going to notice that there are quite a number of chords, and this is a perfect time for you to express yourself musically and to really focus on your chord transitions as well as that 6/8 strumming pattern. So there isn't too much to discuss in this section. All I want to do is encourage you to keep track of the chords that are up on the screen. So let's go through the chords together, one at a time, starting on our E minor to our D chord. We're just going to keep it to one strum for the first round, to B7. And we repeat those chords again. To the D, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, C, to the B7. E minor to C, repeat E minor to C. Next we have A minor to our B7, A minor, back to B7, E minor to D. We have our C next, E minor, and to D, and E minor, back to D again. So notice what we did there was just playing one down strum on each of those chords up on the screen. Now this is just going to help you internalize those chord changes before adding in that strumming pattern. So if you are feeling ready to try out in the strumming pattern, then you can join me in the play along that's going to come up next of that solo section. So here we go, starting on that E minor, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To the D chords, C, B7, back to E minor, D, C, and B7. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, C, E minor, and C, A minor to B7, repeat A minor to B7, E minor to D, C, and E minor. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, E minor, and D. So now that we've taken a look at the verse, the chorus, as well as that solo, all that's left to do now is to put it all together in a play along, which is coming up next. Here we go. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nights in white satin, never reaching the end. Letters I've written, never meaning to send. Beauty I've always missed with these eyes before. Just what the truth is, I can't say anymore, 'cause I love you. Yes, I love you. Oh, how I love you. Gazing at people just what you want to be. You'll be in the end, and I love you. Yes, I love you. Oh, how I love you. Nights in white satin, never reaching the end. Letters I've written, never meaning to send. Beauty I've always missed with these eyes before. Just what the truth is, I can't say anymore, 'cause I love you. Yes, I love you. Oh, how I love you. Baby! Oh my god. This can't happen. Sorry, boy. You can't be in the video because you got a cone. You got a cone. You can't be in the video. You got a cone on your head, boy. Can't be in the video. Sorry. Sorry, boy. You're going to have to come back next week when you're better. You're going to come back next week when you're better, boy. I'm going to say bye. Bye. So that's how you play Nights in White Satin on the acoustic guitar. I really hope you enjoyed hanging out with me today. If you did, don't forget to give this video a like and to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'll see you in another Stellar Guitarist tutorial. Have a wonderful day. Bye.